Hey guys, why was I doing that? I don't know. I was imagining I was driving Formula One on my lawnmower. Anyway, let's get to business. Welcome to Busted Ratchet Garage. Like I was saying, welcome to Busted Ratchet Garage. On today's episode, we have a problem. You ask yourself, what is that problem? Well, I am about to tell you. The problem that we have here is this exhaust. It's falling off. The bolts are loose. Now, instead of just tightening the bolts like a normal fellow would do, I'm going to take the exhaust off. I'm going to remove this muffler, and we're going to straight pipe this bitch. We're going to put a big old stack out the top, and we're going to run premix so it smokes like a diesel. Yeehaw, fellers! Come along with us and you can see how we do it. I should have put her in neutral. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know you're wondering why I He-Man'd that across my garage. I can't find an extension cord. Well, the extension cord that I have is ran to the chicken coops so their water doesn't freeze. So I'll move it closer to that, and we'll take the Sawzall that I have right over there, and we're gonna lop that muffler off. Jesus. Okay. That was easy as 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, let's yank this off here. And we need a 10, 11, maybe 13 it is. Okay. I'm sure there's absolutely no exhaust manifold gasket left, but that's okay. We don't need one of those. We'll just use some cardboard or something, right guys? That was kind of in there a little bit. Whoa! All right, those shreds look okay. That's good news. Yeah, there was no gasket on here at all, guys. There's not even one on there. Well, we'll use some red RTV maybe. Maybe? What do you think, guys? I have to cut this so we can. No. Yes. Yeah. We're to cut this so we can clock it on there and we'll weld it on, I think. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll just cut this. There, and we'll just it up like this. Maybe spin it around this way, coming out here with a pipe on it. Boy, that just doesn't sound like a plan.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all
Well, boys and girls, if we didn't just cut that crookeder, then
I'll just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it?
I don't know.
I don't wanna be a part of it.
You know, we can poop welds all the way around there. That'll be fine.
Can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this.
Maybe grind this section off or weld it. Weld it?
I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe
I'm sure we took her off, guys. We're gonna have to let's bring her over here and line it up and see what works best. Alright, guys. We're gonna get this kind of threaded in. Why am I not using my extension? Christ. I wish I had little hands.
What happens with these little hands? Why, these must have been built by the Chinese.
Jesus Christ. Come on. There we go. Jesus. A couple, one more pack. Well done, huh? She on now. To make one more cut right here. I'm gonna it up and do a little stack on it. All right, guys, so we got the muffler off, we got the pipe on there, and I put a big old tip on it. Look at my tip, guys. Oh, she looks awesome now, guys. It's a little loud, huh, son?
Yeah.
What?
Said yeah.
Oh, I can't hear you. It's so loud. Alright, guys. Since I can't leave well enough alone, this was way too loud. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make some cuts. I'm going to bang this down to close this gap. I took some of this, like chicken coop netting or rabbit cage netting or whatever, and I rolled it up in a tube, and I shoved it down in there. Like that. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're going to put a cap on here. We're gonna weld it. We're gonna plasma cut it off probably, and then we'll drill some holes in it first. We're gonna make a muffler. Since they don't make a muffler like this for this lawnmower, we're gonna make our own. Alright. Plug in our drill press. Our free drill press. And this key doesn't quite fit this, but that's all I could get at L&M. So some people would mark out lines to do this. I'm not. I'm just gonna start going. Alright guys, that should be enough air holes for the muffler. Let's weld the cap on it. And we'll plasma cut it off, and we'll carry on. Alright guys, we're gonna try to close up this pipe. Oh, I should show you, I made some relief cuts to be able to make it bend down. We'll just weld those all up. No one will ever know the difference. Alright guys, we should be able to close that up with some weld. It's gonna be a legit muffler when we get this done. Man, a little bit of grinder, some paint. Make me the welder I ain't. Alright guys, so we got our exhaust pipe, muffler, combo, pretty much done. Got the cap welded on there, it's welded all the way around. I just gotta go through with the grinder and make her smooth. So I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll come back when I get it all nice. And if there's any, it looks like it might not have welded right there, we'll just get the touch-ups. Let's turn that off. We're done with the welder. All right, guys, we got it cleaned up pretty good. It ain't perfect, but that looks pretty sweet. This will burn off. It'll get all nice and rusty. I put some RTV on there because there was no gasket. I wanted to gasket some up. So we got this. We're gonna slide it on there and bolt it up, and we'll fire it up and see if it's any quieter. Key. Oh, there it is. Let's see if it's any quieter, guys. Should be. automatic success, guys. The son wants to go for a little sled ride getting pulled behind my snow hog, so I'm gonna get this thing buttoned up, probably take him out, pull him on the sled a little bit. Like I said, I'm gonna ream those holes out just a little bit more, and then I think we're good to go. Alright guys, that's a little update on the exhaust for the Snow Wizard, or the Beastmo plow, whatever you want to call it. Comment down below what we should name this thing, guys. It's a beast. It's really loud now. I'm gonna have to use ear protection when I'm plowing the snow. At least the neighbors will know when I'm out doing something. They'll hear me like blocks away. Well, I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and until next time, peace. Now today on Busted Ratchet Garage we have a problem, and you say to yourself, what is that problem?
On your health, yeah.
That almost got
gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah.